What's going on, guys? It's Vahnz here. I'm making this little vlog. It's a little moving vlog I'm doing. I'm actually moving to Utah in 2 weeks from now, so I'm just gonna be doing a few updates and stuff as I get closer. So yeah, we're 2 weeks out, moving to Salt Lake City, Utah. Yeah, ready to begin a new chapter in my life, and I'm gonna be bringing you guys with me. Alright, so I forgot to show you guys my apartment, but basically I just got here a couple hours ago. Been just unpacking everything. This is it. Pretty dope. I'm just setting it up right now. But it goes over here. Got a little outside. Making my bed right now. So it's pretty cool. Surprise, I brought my dog. Got a pretty nice little closet in here. Here is the bathroom. There's me, I'm a mess right now. Let's see what it is. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like this place. But I'm gonna show you guys it when I'm all done. What's going on, guys? It's Vahnz here. I wanted to make a little update to the movie vlog. I'm officially all set up. I'm just missing a few things like a table and stuff. But I pretty much got everything. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it looks right now. Go in my room. Got my bed. Got my good old setup right here. The good old PS3. Got the PS3 controllers. PS3 games, the goods. PS3. We got our nice little mirror over here. Here is the closet. I don't have anywhere for my pants and shorts. And got my bags, sword. Yeah, it came out pretty good. I wish I can zoom out more, but I got my shoes. If you guys want to see more in depth on these shoes, this is super sick though. Got all my stuff. Yes sir, yes sir. Yeah, this bed came out super sick. And so everything I got was off Amazon. So everything was pretty well priced. Got the light underneath. That light looks so sick underneath. Alright, then we make our way this way. Got the bathroom. Sir. Look at it. It's pretty sick. Got my toothbrush and stuff. Check out these. Bruh. You guys can't tell, I actually got a fresh cut as well. I actually never showed you guys my hair really. It's always been really long, but I actually got it cut. So it's a lot better now. Alright, so now we're gonna make our way into the main spot, the den. This is where all the magic is gonna get done. Oh my god, bro. Wait, can I turn this? How do I turn brightness down, bro? Alright, anyways, this is gonna turn out so weird on camera. It looks way more normal in person, I swear. Got my front door. You walk in, got the setup over here. Oh my god, the brightness, bro. Damn. Dude, there's no way. I'm sorry, guys. It's super bright. Yeah, let me just show with the lights off and then I'll turn them on. So this is when you first walk in. Got my kitchen and stuff. Got the lights going around the whole thing. Got the TikTok logo. And those lights look so sick on there. Yes, sir. My dream car. Oh, if you guys don't know what it looks like. Oh shit, I gotta pull it out. This is what that looks like. We got the rest of the kitchen area. Yep, TikTok logo. Then check this out. Oh yeah, I'm waiting for a table to come. I'm gonna put it in this big space right here. Sparky. I'll introduce him in a second. Hey guys, here's the den. It's pretty chill. This is like where my main area pretty much. Got Sparky's food and stuff here. Sparky loves this carpet so much, it's really soft. Sparky. Yeah, he loves this carpet so much. Luckily he has not peed on it yet. Sparky. Oh yeah, good boy. Yeah, this is pretty sick. Got the stuff here. PS4, Tronsa, speakers. And don't judge my wiring. I know it's really good, but... And then let's get over to the setup. Got the hoodie on there, yes sir. Here we go. I'm sorry, this wallpaper is really bright. Let me change this. Hey Google, make my lights blue.
Alright, changing 2 lights to blue.
Thank you. Alright, here we go. Here's the setup. I got the same mic and stuff. Yeti mic, my earphones, Razer keyboard, mouse. If you have questions about what anything is, feel free to ask. Dual monitors. I got these new lights I'm gonna be using because I'm gonna be streaming daily. I'll be linking my Twitch in the bio as well if you guys wanna watch. And my face cam. Got my VR headset. Might be doing some VR streams, not sure yet. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing for the streams yet, to be honest. But if you guys do want a tutorial on how I did my cable management, just let me know. I can make a full video and all my what I use for all my cable management and everything. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna turn the lights on now so you guys can see how everything looks like. Alright, there we go. It should be a little easier to see now. But here is everything. Gosh, I didn't realize how small this frame is for the camera. Yeah, this is the new apartment. You guys didn't know I actually moved from California to Salt Lake City, Utah. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions about anything in my apartment, feel free to let me know. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna be streaming every day on Twitch if you guys want to catch me there. If you guys want to sub to my YouTube, drop a sub. You guys turn on notifications. I'm gonna be posting a lot. I'm not sure exactly the schedule I'm gonna be doing for everything, but yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the tour of my new apartment. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you want me to link anything, I can link it to you, ask in the comments. And yeah, like, comment, sub. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.